Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tablets for AutoCAD architects that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the XOPPOX graphics drawing tablet. This tablet offers a large 10 by 6 inch active area, providing ample space for detailed AutoCAD work. With 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a battery-free pen, the XOPPOX ensures smooth and natural lines, perfect for precise architectural designs. The inclusion of 12 customizable shortcut keys enhances productivity, allowing quick access to essential tools and software like Photoshop and Illustrator. In terms of design and build quality, the tablet has a slim profile and feels sturdy in hand. However, its compatibility is somewhat limited. It doesn't support iPhone, iPad, or Chromebook, which could be a downside for some users. While the tablet performs well for most drawing and design tasks, occasional driver issues can make installation a bit tricky, requiring extra setup steps. Despite these minor hiccups, the XOPPOX tablet is an excellent budget-friendly choice for beginner architects or students. The pros include its affordability, large active area, and smooth pen performance. On the downside, compatibility restrictions and driver concerns might deter some professionals. If you're new to digital designing or looking for an affordable entry-level tablet, this one is worth considering. Number 3 is the HUION Inspiroy H1060P graphics drawing tablet, a feature-packed option for professional architects. It boasts a large 10 by 6.25 inch working area, providing ample space for detailed designs. The battery-free stylus offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and plus 60 degrees tilt support, enabling smooth and precise input for diverse drawing styles. The tablet also includes 12 programmable press keys and 16 soft keys, giving you customizable shortcuts to speed up your workflow. The HUION H1060P shines in its compatibility, supporting Windows, macOS, Android, and Linux systems. The symmetrical design caters to both right and left-handed users, making it versatile for any user. Its slim 10mm structure and lightweight build enhance portability, but the lack of iPhone, iPad support is a drawback. Performance-wise, the tablet delivers excellent responsiveness, making it suitable for detailed architectural drawings in AutoCAD. Pros include its large working area, extensive compatibility, and customizable keys. Cons are the absence of iPhone/iPad compatibility and occasional connection issues with Android devices. If you're an intermediate to advanced user seeking a reliable and versatile tablet, the HUION Inspiroy H1060P is a solid choice. At number 2, we have the UGEE M708 graphics drawing tablet, with a large 10 by 6 inch active area and a papery textured surface. This tablet provides a natural drawing experience for AutoCAD architects. The passive stylus offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, enabling precise and controlled input for detailed designs. 8 customizable express keys further enhance efficiency, giving you quick access to essential functions. The UGEE M708 stands out for its wide compatibility, supporting Windows, macOS, Android, Chrome OS, and Linux. The tablet is well-suited for beginners, with straightforward USB connectivity and adapters for various devices. However, some users may find the absence of wireless connectivity limiting. The build quality is solid, but at 2.4 pounds, it's heavier than some competitors, which might affect portability. Pros include its large active area, high pressure sensitivity, an affordable price point. Cons are the lack of wireless connectivity and slightly heavier design. Overall, the UGEE M708 is a fantastic option for architects seeking a high-performing and budget-friendly tablet for AutoCAD. And finally, at number 1, we have the Wacom Intuos Small Bluetooth Graphics Drawing Tablet. With Wacom's industry-leading EMR technology, this tablet delivers exceptional precision and control, mimicking the feel of pen on paper. Its compact size makes it highly portable, yet it doesn't compromise on performance. The tablet features 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity and comes with 4 customizable express keys for quick access to key shortcuts. The Wacom Intuos stands out with its wireless Bluetooth connectivity, allowing seamless use on the go. It's compatible with a wide range of systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and Chromebook, making it extremely versatile. Additionally, Wacom includes free creative software and online training, adding immense value for users looking to expand their skills. The build quality is top-notch, and at just 8.8 ounces. It's the lightest tablet on this list, perfect for architects always on the move. The pros include industry-leading precision, wireless connectivity, and compact design. The only downside is its smaller working area, which might not be ideal for large-scale designs. If you're looking for a premium tablet that combines portability, precision, and value, the Wacom Intuos Small Bluetooth Graphics Drawing Tablet is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.